Hello, my name is Sawyer Simpson, and today we're going to be doing an experiment between zinc metal and hydrochloric acid. This reaction is going to be making a chemical known as zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. The hydrogen gas is very flammable, and so we're going to be collecting that and then putting it under some soapy water. This will make some hydrogen bubbles, which we're going to be hoping to collect and then light on fire. Now, as you can see, this reaction is starting to heat up and create hydrogen gas, which is starting to fill this balloon. We will be able to cut all of this. Just mix it. As you can see, the glove is starting to rise due to the hydrogen having a much lower density than the air surrounding it. Now, the reaction is almost done. Now, set this over here. And try and collect as much hydrogen gas as we can. Now, that should be close to all of it. Now, would you please light the match? And that is the reaction that we've done today between zinc metal and hydrochloric acid. This reaction is known as a chlorinization. We added a chlorine atom from the hydrochloric acid to the zinc, which then created the hydrogen gas that we collected within this glove, and then was able to turn into bubbles. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.